In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Kahoot app. We'll be using the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. This is the official, secure place to get the Kahoot app, and it makes updates simple and automatic. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to the internet and that your device has a little free space for the download. Start by clicking the Microsoft Store. You can find it on your taskbar or by opening the Start menu and looking for the shopping bag icon labeled Microsoft Store. The store may take a moment to load, especially the first time you open it, so give it a second if you see a spinning indicator. Once the store is open, click the search bar at the top. It usually says something like Search Apps, Games, Movies, and more. Clicking into the bar makes it active and ready for typing. Type Kahoot into the search bar. Take a moment to check your spelling so the results show up correctly. As you type, you might see suggestions appear under the bar. If Kahoot appears there, you can click it or just press Enter to see the full results page. From the results, select the Kahoot app. You'll recognize it by the familiar purple branding and the name Kahoot. Choosing the official app ensures you get the right features and reliable updates. If you open the app's page, you can glance at the description and reviews for extra confidence that you're on the correct listing. Next, click Get or Install. You might see Get if it's your first time downloading, or Install if you've grabbed it before. The Microsoft Store may ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. That's normal and helps track your apps for future updates. If a prompt appears, follow the on-screen guidance to continue. Now, wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a progress bar or a circular indicator that shows the download and install status. Keep the store window open until it finishes. When it's done, the button will change to Open, which is your confirmation that the app is installed successfully. You'll also be able to find Kahoot in your Start menu's app list the next time you need it. And that's it. You clicked Microsoft Store, used the search bar, typed Kahoot, selected the official app, clicked Get or Install, and waited for the installation to complete. If the download seems slow, it's usually just your internet connection or a momentary server delay. Waiting a bit typically resolves it. Enjoy using Kahoot for quizzes, learning, and interactive sessions on your Windows device.